Okay, time for your eyes. I'm going to show you, one of my go-tos are the Addiction Shadow Palettes. I love, this is palette 1. I'm just going to show you all of them real quick. Palette 2 is kind of your blacks and your grays. Palette 3, it has some blacks cools with the pearl purples and a little bit of the pink in there. Beautiful, beautiful shades. Palette 4, just released September 1st, 2016. Lots of golds, coppers, and blues. Beautiful on you. And palette 5, a little intimidating at first, not gonna lie. It's a little bold, but beautiful. I mean, you can make some really pretty combinations with this. I love, what is that called? I don't know because I don't have my glasses on. This coppery one is beautiful. I use these other pink ones a lot too because I am a Genoa Comet and our color is maroon, so I use that a lot. But today I'm going to show you simple with our palette 1, the browns, the earthy, because it seems to be everybody's comfort. I have a little bit of a hooded eye, so I'm going to show you how to correct that a little bit. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to use Chipper. Okay, so when you're doing these, you just want to bounce a little bit on there. What I do for a hooded eye is you don't want to, like a lot of times we do it and we do like this crescent. For a hooded eye, you're going to kind of want to draw a little bit more straight and down into your crease, or into your corner of your eye. What that's going to do is kind of pull your eye out a little bit more, so it gives it that illusion of a bigger eye. So that's our goal. Okay, I start and just kind of pat, and then I just kind of go across straight, down into where I did my liner. I did do my liner because I didn't think you guys really cared if you didn't see my liner. So there you go. So that, and I just want to do like a lighter shade, and you really want to blend that out because you're trying to make this more of your transition shade. You're not really trying to bring a ton of color. You're just trying to create that shadow, that illusion that your eye is a little bit bigger. Can you see the difference of that eye and that eye? So go back through. Balance it out. On this side, bounce straight. Bring that line over. So I'm just kind of, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And just really big about blending. Just really kind of blend that in. Blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with some of my other colors. And I'm just showing you now just one palette by itself, but I'm telling you, you can use these together. They're so pretty. Everything's pretty together. So there you go. So that's what I have so far. Now I'm going to go in with my Swanky. I love this shade right here. And I'm going to use my deluxe brush. A little bit goes a long way. Pat the color on your eye. Don't swipe it. Just pat it on. Isn't that pretty? I think it's pretty. I think it's pretty. I think you want it 'cause it's pretty. Yeah. Do you know? It's kind of what I do when I'm getting ready. Ooh, pretty, pretty. Okay, so I have that, and if you wanted to add some more pizzazz to it, you can. You can leave it just like that. But if I were going to leave it like this, I would then go into my brush with my blending brush and just kind of work that in a little bit. Now, if you want to give it a more smoky look, I will take my brush and I will go into this dark and just bounce. And all I do is you make a V here. You just make that little V. Can you see that little triangle there in the corner? Just kind of there, there, and blend. Out, and then in. If you want to work that into the bottom of your eye, you can. This is just a simple, kind of a basic look for you, so you don't get too scared of me. And then again, blend. Blending is your friend to the end. Because nobody wants unblended eyes. And then you can use this color up here as your highlight. This little light. Just kind of tap it underneath there. I don't really like a ton